In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track project management and scheduling in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable setup for organizing projects, assigning tasks, and seeing your schedule at a glance. Start by creating a projects table. This is the home base for each project you're managing. Add fields for project name, status, start date, and end date. Use a single select field for status so you can keep options consistent, and set start date and end date as date fields. This helps Airtable understand how to visualize time-based information later. If you like, you can color code statuses to make scanning your table quicker. Next, create a tasks table. This is where the day-to-day work lives. Add fields for task name assigned to, due date, and status. For assigned to, choose a collaborator type field if you're working with a team, or a simple text field if you're solo. Make status a single select that mirrors your project status language so everything stays aligned. Set due date as a date field so your tasks can appear on a calendar. Now, link tasks to their projects. Add a new field in the tasks table and choose link to another record. Point it to the projects table, then connect each task to the correct project. This relationship ties your work together, making it easy to see which tasks roll up under each project and to filter or group tasks by project as you plan. Create a calendar view in the tasks table and use the due date field as the date source. This puts every task on a visual calendar, helping you spot busy days and potential conflicts. You can filter by status to focus on what's active, and group or color by project to keep things clear. Set up a timeline view to track schedules over a span of time. Open the projects table and create a timeline view using start date and end date. This shows the duration of each project and how they overlap. Adjust the zoom level to look at weeks or months, and drag bars to fine-tune dates as plans change. Keep task progress current by updating the status field as work moves forward. Common stages like to do, in progress, and done make it easy to see what needs attention and what's complete. Consistent updates keep your views accurate. Finally, review your schedule using both the calendar and timeline. Check deadlines, spot bottlenecks, and confirm that projects are pacing correctly. Use filters to see overdue tasks or focus on a single project for deep dives. Thanks for watching.